decimals. Okay. In this, what is a like fraction and what is a unlike fraction? Like fraction and unlike fractions. So like fraction means what? For some fractions, all the denominators are equal. Then that type of fractions are called like fractions. Unlike fractions means all denominators are unequal. Then that type of fractions are unlike fractions. Write running notes. Okay. Like fractions. Tell me some examples of like fractions. Some examples of like fractions are 1 by 3, 5 by 3, 7 by 3. All denominators should be equal. That such type of fractions are called like fractions. Okay. What about unlike fractions? Tell me one example for unlike fraction. Unlike fractions. 4 by 2, 7 by 8, 3 by 6. These all are unlike fractions. Okay, these all are unlike fractions. Next. So I will give some set of fractions. Tell me in that fractions which one is like fraction and which one is unlike fractions. So first one 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 4 by 7. So these three are like fractions or not like fractions. Like next 1 by 9, 2 by 9, 4 by 9. These three is like fraction. Next one more pair 3 by 7, 4 by 9, 7 by 11. These three are which type of fractions? Unlike fractions. Okay. So this is the explanation about like fractions and unlike fractions. These are the examples of unlike and like fractions. Okay. Write 5 group of like fractions. Tell me one more example for like fraction which having 5 which having 5 fractions. 2 by 5, 7 by 5, 6 by 5 and 4 by 5. Yeah. So these all are like fractions. Okay. Next one. From each of these I identify like fractional numbers. So I will give one set of fraction numbers. In this fraction, identify like fractions. So these 2 by 3, 5 by 3, 1 by 3. All are like fractions. What about this 4 by 6? What about this 4 by 6? 4 by 6 also like fraction only. Why means 2 twos, 2 threes. 2 by 3 only, na? So this one also, this full set is like fraction. Okay, this full set is like fraction. Yes. Next one. Next one more set I will give. Tell me. 1 by 7, 3 by 5, 2 by 5, 1 by 9. In these four, which set of pair is like fraction? 3 by 5. Okay. Next. Next one more set like that. 7 by 8, 8 by 7, 2 by 8, 7 by 5. Okay. So in these, which fractions are like fractions? 7 by 8, 2 by 8. These two are like fractions. Okay. So addition of a fractions. Addition of a fractions. How to do addition of a fraction? Okay. In this, first, this one plus this one. See here shade, in this here shaded part. Now tell me the fraction of these. 1 by 4 plus for this one 1 by 4. So these two are like fractions. Now add these two, then you will get two shaded boxes. Yes, two shaded boxes. So for adding these two fractions, you will get 2 by 4. 2 by 4. Okay. This is the addition of the fractions. So like fraction addition means simply you are adding numerators. Then you will get fraction addition. But for unlike fractions, first you have to convert unlike fraction into like fraction, then do addition. Okay. For example, see unlike fraction. Take one unlike fraction, 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3. So how to add these two? So first we have to convert